All right, Jeffrey, this one's for you. Here's how you can screencast using Screencast-O-Matic. Basically, just Google search Screencast-O-Matic. This little dog right here will show up. That's the one you want. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to ask you to log in. You can go ahead and log in with your Google screen. And once you are logged in, you just need to make sure you have the tab open that you want to record. And then you just say Launch Recorder down here. And once it's launched, it's going to bring up a little thing down here that, let me see if I can get it to pop up for you. It's not going to get any bigger for me. Why is that? This little guy, and you can make your screen bigger or smaller, which I just did. But there's a little thing up here and it'll have a little record button pop up for you. And then it'll do a countdown. And then you just start recording whatever it is that you want to record. Once you have that done, you just hit the pause button, click done. It's going to ask you where do you want to download it to. I would choose YouTube and go ahead and just put it into the Monticello Sports Live YouTube account so that it's always there. And then people can know how to run what you want to run. So what I need you to do is I need you to make a recording of how do you get into OBS Streamlabs? What does OBS Streamlabs offer? What kind of stuff can you do in OBS Streamlabs? How do I make a scene? How do I switch from scene to scene? And if you get really feeling great, you can tell them how do they put things into the scene changer, that little box that we have. All right, so let me know if you have any question. Talk to you later. Bye.